Hello, my name's Angharad, prynawn da, fy enw I yw Angharad. I've worked on this Regency restoration project for the last 4 years, where we've taken lakes that were full of scrub. There was no bridges, no paths, and you'll soon see in the film what we have recreated. It's been a really interesting project with engineering, ecology, history, and I've learnt a lot on this project. So we start our walk into the Regency landscape going through Ferry Wood, which is Coed y Tylwyth Teg in Welsh, quite a mouthful, but it's just a wonderful way to start the journey into the landscape. So we get our first glimpse of our largest lake here in the garden, and this has just been recently restored. It's called Llyn Mawr, which means large lake. It's just a beautiful, calm oasis, and this lake, it's just all about the calmness. This landscape is just full of the contrasts. So this is the first bridge that you get to, and we call this the Horn Bridge because of the shape of the lake. So we're just walking along this 350 metre long dam, which was restored 2 years ago. We're just going to see, this is our next bridge. This is called Greer's Bridge, named after Sir William Paxton's engineer, who masterminded this vision in the 18th and 19th centuries. So we're just walking down into Cwm Felin Gat now, and this is our the valley, and this is where all the dramatic sounds of the water is what you're experiencing, and you've got a calm bit of water here. This is the River Gwynon, and with the bridge over it is called Bont Gwynon, the Gwynon Bridge. We're just going to head up to the waterfall, which is I like to call it iconic because it is such a beautiful feature within our 568 acres. And you just start to get glimpses of the water, and this time of the year you the leaves are there, but in the winter you see it a lot quicker, and then you get really close to it at this point. And this is the Horner image that was drawn, painted in 1815, and you see William Paxton is telling Thomas Horner to paint his waterfall a little bigger, because there is a bit of artistic license in some of these images, which is just really amusing. And we've got a beautiful new bridge installed above there. It's actually one of my favourite bridges, because you're amongst the canopy of the trees, but you've also got the water at your feet. We've got lots of these oak benches dotted around, and they've all got their own quotes, and they're appropriate to the place that they've been located. So in this spot in the Horner painting, I don't know if you noticed, there was a hermit's grotto, so it would be just located just here. We're not recreating it, but it just feels like a very magical spot within the landscape.